We all gather here not just as a school community, but as stewards of a shared vision. A vision of quality education that transcends textbooks and classrooms. Quality education is not just a goal we strive for. It is the very essence that shapes the future of our students and consequently the world they will inhabit. Today we gather here with a joint purpose to celebrate the cornerstone of our journey, the guiding light that shapes our destinies. Good morning to one and all present here. I, Jacqueline, on behalf of Class 9B, welcome you all for our class assembly on SDG 4 Quality Education.
Profound conversation with the divine, a silent dialogue that transcends the words and touches the soul. It is a solace in the moments of solitude, a source of strength that connects us to something greater than ourselves. In its simplicity, prayer becomes a powerful expression of hope, gratitude, and introspection. So to start our day, I would like to request the choir for the morning prayer. Please stand up, join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer.
Don't close your eyes. No closing eyes. Just stand and close your eyes. Say that. Come.
Daily dose of inspiration and motivation, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. A thought encourages perseverance and instills a sense of purpose. Now, I welcome Shaurya to share the thought of the day with us.
The thought of the day is, education is a lifelong journey, not a destination. I repeat, education is a journey. Sorry,
Yes, it is a journey.
The thought of the day is, education is a lifelong journey, not a destination. I repeat, education is a lifelong journey, not a destination. This means that education is a lifelong pursuit, not a final achievement. It fosters continuous growth and development throughout one's life.
News is crucial for staying informed about the current events, enabling individuals to make informed decisions in their personal and civic lives. It serves as a key source of knowledge, providing a window into the world's diverse perspectives and issues. By staying updated with the news, people contribute to an engaged and participatory society, fostering awareness and understanding of the global community. So, I invite the students of our class to share the news.
Today's international news headlines are: China's naval base passes through Taiwan Strait, Israel strikes, kills 2 Hezbollah guards and 2 Syrians near Damascus, 2 people killed in Swiss town, silent shooting. Thank you.
Today's national news headlines are: BJP announces Ujjain MLA Mohan Yadav as a Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh and a tribal leader Vishnu Deo as a Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. The Supreme Court validates the abolition of Section 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. Delhi experiences a cold warming winter as in morning at a degree of 6.5.
Today's sports news is Travis Head has been awarded for the November Player of the Month by ICC. Tottenham ended their 5-match winless run by thrashing Newcastle by 4-1. India has been qualified for the quarter-finals of the Men's Hockey Junior World Cup. Thank you. Weather report. The sun rose at 7 a.m. and sun will set at 5:30 p.m. Minimum temperature 8 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Humidity level 77%. Thank you.
A PPT enhances understanding by visually organizing complex information, aiding in comprehension and retention. The combination of images, text and multimedia in PPTs engages multiple senses for reinforcing key concepts for a more holistic learning experience. Now I invite Gurmehar, Tarun, Harshita and Manandi for the explanation of PPT on quality education.
In India, education in India started with the Gurukul system during the medieval period at the time of the Vedas. Soon it was taken over by the Maktabs and the Madrasas during the advent of the Islamic rulers. Then the British rulers brought a more Western type of education system to India. Soon universities like the Calcutta University, Madras University and the Bombay University marked the formalization of a higher education system in India. After the independence of India, the Indian Education Act 1947 was formed. The latest educational policy is the National Education Policy 2020.
Why quality education? Quality education is the bedrock of individual empowerment and societal progress. It equips individuals with critical thinking skills, fosters creativity, and develops a sense of responsibility. Besides imparting knowledge, it cultivates values, promoting social harmony and equity. Quality education is the catalyst for personal growth, economic development, and a sustainable and enlightened society. That is why we have chosen quality education.
Importance of quality education. Quality education is the cornerstone of personal and societal progress. It equips individuals with the knowledge, skills, and critical thinking abilities necessary for success in a dynamic world. Besides academic achievement, quality education fosters creativity, resilience, and a sense of civic responsibility. It is the key to breaking the cycle of poverty, promoting equality, and ensuring a brighter, more sustainable future for all.
Latest educational reforms in India. The ongoing education policy, named the National Education Policy 2020, is a transformative blueprint for India's education system. Emphasizing flexibility, holistic learning, and skill development, it aims to foster creativity and critical thinking for a globally inclusive education landscape. The recent educational reforms prioritize holistic learning, technological integration, and skill development, adapting to contemporary needs for a progressive education system. And that is why the NEP 2020 is a new reform in education in India. Quality education is not just about acquiring knowledge.
It's about fostering curiosity.
Critical thinking, a sense of responsibility.
And a lifelong love for learning.
Thank you.
Plays provide a unique opportunity for direct interaction with the audience. The immersive nature of the play allows for a two-way exchange, enabling performers to gauge reactions, answer questions, and actively involve the community in the issues being addressed. So, I call forward the students of our class to present before you a Nukkad Natak.
सुनो 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 कदम से कदम मिलाना है सबको साक्षर बनाना है सुनो 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 काम की बातें अच्छी बातें सच्ची बातें सुनो सुनो कदम से कदम मिलाना है सबको साक्षर बनाना है
सपना साकार कर दिखाना है, देश को भी तो आगे बढ़ाना है।
हाँ हाँ देश को भी तो आगे बढ़ाना है
फूटेगा ज्ञान का अंकुर, बीच गगन तक उसे उठाना है।
क्या है शिक्षा? क्यों चाहिए हमें उत्तम शिक्षा पद्धति? आज हम सब बताने आए हैं। सुनो 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 सुनो।
शिक्षा है हमारा अधिकार।
शिक्षा बनाती है हमें साक्षर
शिक्षा बिना कैसे मिलेगा अच्छा रोजगार? शिक्षा बिना क्या व्यापार?
शिक्षा सिखाती है हमें सदाचार।
अरे वाह साथियों सुविचार सुविचार शिक्षा बिना है हमारा जीवन बेकार आओ प्रण करें शिक्षा होगी घर घर द्वार द्वार क्योंकि शिक्षा है हमारा अधिकार शिक्षा से ही खुलेंगे सब बंद द्वार धन्यवाद
Blend of melody and lyrics, weaving emotions and stories into a memorable auditory experience. It has a power to evoke feelings, transport memories, and act as a national language that transcends cultural boundaries. Now, I would like to call the choir for the song.
We learn and what we know. students. Let the spirit of recognition and encouragement fill our hearts as we commence this joyous award distribution ceremony. I would like Principal Ma'am along with Vice Principal Ma'am to kindly do the honors. First position in 50-meter breaststroke, second position in 50-meter freestyle, and third position in 100-meter freestyle. In the districts, Kheta Watan Punjab Diyan, she won the first position in 50-meter backstroke, third position in 50-meter breaststroke, and third position in 50-meter freestyle. In the state level 44th senior, 46th junior, and 34th sub-junior Punjab Swimming Championship, she won the first position. Of class 8B appeared in the Indian School Talent Search exam. Heartiest congratulations to her as she got the bronze medal and 52nd rank internationally. She is also selected in the top 20 students for the state camp of BBM. She scored 84 marks out of 100. We wish her best of luck for her future endeavors. The achievement of Abhinandan from class 8B, whose model named Plated Pathways has been patented, certified and copyrighted by Government of India. Of class 9B received certificates of participation and appreciation by ISRO, Bangalore for successfully completing the online quiz on International Moon Day, launch of Aditya L1 and also the Chandrayaan 3 Mahaquiz. The students from Cedar House, Freya, Chehet and Sehetpreet won the third prize. From Oak House won the first prize in the inter-house debate competition. Their birthdays falling in this week to please come on the stage.
Class 7B, my birthday falls on 16 December.
Principal Ma'am along with Vice Principal Ma'am to share a few motivational words with all of us.
Good morning teachers and all staff members. I actually am a loss of words, the kind of assembly that we've just witnessed. Do you agree? Yes. I think this was the best assembly till now. Let's give them a big round of applause. Amazing assembly, amazing. The kind of confidence that the children showed, it was so heartening. And I love that none of them used the mic. I'm using one. Yes, I'm speaking very softly. Okay, so I think that is the kind of confidence that we want in children. It doesn't matter if you falter once or twice. It doesn't matter as long as you're going up there with confidence and doing your bit. Yes, so I really appreciate that Indraveer ma'am and the students of 9B. I am blown away. Wonderful assembly. Absolutely wonderful assembly. benchmark that the students need to come up to. It is very important that we all do our bit. And the fact that it is on education makes me even happier. And whatever they said, it just comes down to nothing is more powerful than education. And that's what you're doing here. That's what we are doing here. We are imparting education. That's it. If you are educated, if you are knowledgeable, if you keep learning for the rest of... The thought was what? It's not a destination. It's a journey. So you need to keep educating yourself, gaining knowledge as long as you are alive. The moment we stop learning, we stop growing. Okay, so that is the crux. So wonderful. I am really very, very happy that the children were so confident, and the way they spoke, the way they sang, everything, the dance, I mean, and I think ma'am and I agreed, the presentation. The presentation was so good. That is how we need to learn to make presentations and give presentations. So one is to make the PPT, that's the way it should be, crisp, brief, and the way we present it should be speaking to the audience, and they can also see what's written there. So that's really good. Well done, Indraveer ma'am and the class of 9B. You all deserve a very big round.
Even I would also like to speak. Thank you so much, Indraveer ma'am, and thank you, class 9B. And yeah, they deserve a big round of applause. Okay, 2-3 things that I would like to add. We just had PTM. On PTM, when parents came and they met me, they said that annual show, my child had a very small role to play. Like naturally, you know that there were so many students who were involved, around 430 students, and we had 2 productions. Naturally, everybody was given a role maximum of 5 minutes or so. Maybe in some cases it was not even of 5 minutes. But we are giving you chance every time. Chance is given in the form of assembly. Chance is given in the classroom also when you are given some project. Maybe these are individual projects or maybe these are group projects. So when you are taking any initiative, you are learning to how to present your point of view, when you are speaking in class, when you are coming on stage, even in school during assembly. This is all learning is happening. This is all confidence is being built. Okay, just participate enthusiastically. Just I think you can all remember last time when I came here for assembly, I think I am the one who said that next time we do not want to see any mic. And look at this, they have not used any mic and they were trying to speak loudly so that they are like audible at the back. So I hope all of you sitting at the back were able to hear them. They were audible? Yes. So this is what we have to learn. This is what is education all about. Okay, so every day some learning is happening. Even we teachers, we are also learning from you. Do you know? So that is why it is said that learning is a journey. Education is a journey. Every day we have to learn something. If you are coming to school and learning something, then I think the objective is achieved, goal is achieved. So thank you so much. I would like to call all the children who are also working in the background. I can see that some people were there sitting, managing the PPT and maybe sitting at the back. I would like to call them on stage. Please come. You also introduce yourself and tell what all work you people have done in the assembly. Like what was your role? Come, Prabhu and Hardeep. Yes, yes.
I was just handling the PPT and the music for dance.
Very good. Okay, very good. So you were organizers also have a very great role to play. They work in the background, but their work is no less. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Symbol of unity, embodying the pride, history, and shared identity of the nation. Its stirring melody and meaningful lyrics evoke a sense of patriotism, fostering collective spirit among the citizens. Now, on.